How to block and remove ads from Facebook and Messenger application. So if you want to block and remove ads from your Facebook and Messenger, then what you need to do is you simply open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, you just need to simply go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon, and go with settings. Under settings and privacy, you just need to simply search, or you can simply go with account center, and here you will have ad preferences. Tap on ad preferences, and from here you can simply go with manage info and go with categories used to reach you, and tap on view and manage, which is on the bottom. And here, if you have any categories, then what you need to do is simply go and turn them off. Once you turn them off, now you just need to simply go back and go with the second option, which is activity information. Tap on review setting, and here you just need to simply go with no, don't make my ads more relevant by using the information, and then confirm, and go with ads shown outside of the meta, and tap on not allowed. Go back and then go with social interactions, and here you just need to simply tap on the Facebook and tap on only me. Go with the customize ad section, and under customize ads you just need to simply go with see all, and from here you can choose all of the accounts and tap on the ad that you've received, and then tap on hide ads, and you can do that all with all of the other ads. And once you've done that, you can go back, and now you can simply go with the advertisers you saw ads from and tap on that, and here tap on hide ads and go back. And once you've done all of that, you can simply restart your Facebook, and in this way you'll be able to block and remove ads from your Facebook and Messenger. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.